Now this is some fancy cabinet joinery right here. And I gotta try and remember how to put it together. Rather complicated. A lot of joinery going in different directions. It was a 90-degree corner drawer cabinet. And I can't stand 90-degree corner cabinet drawers. They're a waste of space. The drawer fronts are almost impossible to get lined up. And the drawers themselves are super hard to make. This cabinet's so big that I'm building it in the kitchen. I don't feel like trying to get it out here once I build it. I think I cut my 2 stretchers up, not realizing what they're for. But I'm gonna go look for them. At work, these would get glued together, but I think that's way overkill. Next, the backs have to go on. Now, I don't have the narrow back. I don't think I really need it. It's a drawer cabinet. Me putting the back on backwards. I do that a lot with corner cabinets, because usually the tenons on a cabinet go to the back, not sort of the front. So the more complicated thing about this cabinet was the 2 stretchers that I don't have. I'm not worried about them, so that's making it easier to put together. Now if there were 4 stretchers, which the software doesn't do, or at least easily, easier. And not so flimsy with the center section assembly. Glue and paper on this floor has a lot of traction. Let's see, tends toward the front-ish, sort of. And the ends are symmetrical. Most of the stickers got chewed up moving around. This was actually a test cabinet. Oh, kind of test cabinet. Because they were 90-degree drawers, I needed a cabinet to adjust the drawer fronts because the job site was really far away. Going to be a very heavy cabinet. So the software I was talking about that's used to program these cabinets is called eCabinets. And it's free software that rivals some software that costs like $50,000-$60,000. It's made by the CNC router company called Thermwood, and you don't need one of their routers. You just need to find a shop that has one of their routers And they can cut your parts out of whatever material. They can assemble it, ship it, not assemble it and ship it, finish, unfinished. So if you were to build your own kitchen, design your own kitchen, because in the software you can actually put the cabinets into a room and see how it all looks together. Now, the software does have a learning curve. But what good software doesn't have a learning curve? Now I have to get this monstrosity in the corner. The unfinished plywood doesn't want to slide. I also might not have had it up high enough. Had to Dukes of Hazzard it. Now it's just getting caught on the back of the toe kicks, I think. Now to get under the sink countertop. Now to get it unstuck from wherever it's stuck. Must have just been caught on the something. Because this cabinet here is actually a little deeper than it should be. It wasn't a kitchen cabinet to begin with.